Go.
Morse code corresponding to a word. Morse code is a method of transmitting text information as a series of off tones, lights, and it can be directly understood by a skilled listener or observer. Here, if you observe, each character is represented by a unique sequence of dots and dashes. The duration of a dash is 3 times the duration of a dot. Each dot or dash is followed by a short silence equal to dot duration. The letters of a word are separated by a space equal to 3 dots, and words are separated by a space equal to 7 dots. The dot duration is a basic unit of time measurement in code transmission. For efficiency, the length of each character in Morse is approximately inversely proportional to frequency of occurrence in English. Thus, most common letter in English, the letter E, has the shortest code and a single dot. The following are the different codes for different alphabetic letters in the English language. This is the ARM Cortex Novotan kit, and this is the LED display, and this is the buzzer, and this is the power and as well as a data port, and this is the reset one which we are going to use.
Start.
The software we are using is Keel Micro version 4. We have got a database for 26 alphabets. Here we are creating a database, for example, for 3 alphabets A, B and C. Now going to the coding style now. We have created an individual database for alphabet A, where we will be using set and clear bit for activating and deactivating the buzzer, and similarly dot and dash are achieved with the help of the delay loop, where we can find the delay loop, and similarly for B and C we create an individual database, and so on, it goes like that. And then we have created an overall delay loop, a global delay in the coding, where that is the global delay loop for the all the alphabets and for the coding and stuff. And the following are the steps for executing of the program. First we need to build, where we could, after building the program, where we could see 0 errors and 0 warnings. Then we need to load into the kit. Now the program has been downloading into the kit. We are downloading. We are dumping the code. We have successfully dumped the Morse code into the Novotan kit. Now I am pressing the reset button. There is a corresponding Morse code for ABC what we have taken in the coding.